Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope you are fine and studying at home. Today we are further moving with our chapter number 2, the Great Himalayas. In the previous class we have studied about the features of Himalayas, highest peaks, people who climb the mountains, different Himalayan mountain ranges, which includes Great Himalayas or Himadri, Middle Himalayas or Himachal, and Lower Himalayas or Shivaliks. We were studying about the special features of some states located in these Himalayan mountain ranges. Among them, we have already learned about Jammu and Kashmir. Now we are going further with other states. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is another state located in the Himalayas. Shimla is the capital city of Himachal Pradesh. The life of the people of Himachal is almost same as those of Kashmir. People grow rice, maize, barley, fruits and vegetables. They also rear goat and sheep. Man and women wear embroidered caps and scarves. The main festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dussehra, and most people speak Hindi. There are many famous tourist places in Himachal Pradesh like Shimla, Dalhousie, Kulu and Manali. Next state is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand includes the Garhwal and Kumaon hills. Uttarakhand is a place of tourist attraction as it has many hill stations like Mussoorie, Nainital and Almora. Other than this, it has tourism and pilgrim places like Badrinath, Kedarnath, Haridwar, Gangotri, Yamunotri and Ranikhet. Even the capital city of Uttarakhand, Dehradun, is also a very beautiful place. Next state is Sikkim. Sikkim is one of the smallest state of our country, which is located on high mountains and deep river valleys. The people of Sikkim belong to three main tribes: Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. Here, women wear boku and colorful jewelry made from beads. Sikkim is famous for its orchids. And the capital city of Sikkim is Gangtok. West Bengal. Darjeeling is one of the famous hill stations located in West Bengal. It has many tea gardens, and Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Do you know Kolkata is the first city which has metro trains. Now we move towards the northeastern states. The northeastern part of India has 7 states, and these 7 states are known as 7 sisters. People in these states have their own customs, dresses and languages. Let us move towards these 7 states. Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeast among the 7 states. People live in stilt houses. Stilt is a type of house which protects them from rain and wild animals. Brahmaputra river enters India through this state from China. The capital city of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Next is Manipur. Farming and weaving are the main occupations of people in Manipur. They also make beautiful things from bamboo, cane and leather. The famous Manipuri dance, which is one of the most significant classical dance of India, is of Manipur. The capital city of Manipur is Imphal. Next state of Northeast is Meghalaya. Meghalaya means abode of clouds, that is, the house of clouds. This state gets the heaviest rainfall in the world, as two places of Meghalaya, that is Cherrapunji and Mawsynram, receive the heaviest rainfall in the world. People here mostly belong to tribal groups like Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. They grow fruits and vegetables. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya and also a very popular hill station. The next state is Mizoram. Mizoram means the land of the hilly people. The capital city of Mizoram is Aizawl. And here also agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Most of the people here know how to read and write, and mostly they speak English. Next northeastern state is Nagaland. Kohima is the capital city of Nagaland. The Naga people wear shawls of different styles which shows their traditional culture. Next state is Assam. Assam is famous for its tea gardens. River Brahmaputra has made Assam very fertile. People speak Assamese here. Dispur is the capital and Guwahati is the largest city of Assam. The people celebrate Bihu, which is also a name of their very famous folk dance. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh from three sides. Agartala is the capital city of Tripura. People grow rice and jute. They also grow bamboo, which is used for making different types of handicrafts. The Himalayan mountain ranges experience cold climate throughout the year. This attracts the tourists to visit the hill stations in the summer season. We have studied about the different locations of Himalayan ranges. These Himalayan mountains are very important and useful for our country. Let us see what is the importance of these Himalayan mountains. They guard our northern borders from other neighboring countries. They also protect us from the very cold winds coming from the north. The different passes and gaps in the mountain help in crossing them. They also check the monsoons coming from the south and cause heavy rainfall in the north. The rivers coming from the Himalayas are perennial in nature. Perennial means the rivers which have water throughout the year. These rivers provide water to our farms. The Himalayan forest provides different types of wood which is used as timber for making furniture and other things. Also, we find different types of medicinal herbs in these forests. Himalayan forests are also a house of different types of wildlife. There are many wildlife sanctuaries in the Himalayan forests. Now we have completed our chapter. Let us revise what we studied in the chapter. We have studied that in the north and northeastern part of India, are the Himalayan mountain ranges. These mountain ranges are arc-shaped. Himalayas have many parallel ranges. The highest mountain ranges are called Himadri or Great Himalayas. South of Great Himalayas are the Himachal. South of Himachal are low mountains called the Shivaliks. The mountainous region in north includes Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal and northeastern states, that is 7 sisters. The Himalayan mountain ranges are useful for our country in many ways. The main occupations of people of this region is farming. Rice, maize, vegetables and fruits are grown mainly in this region. I hope you have understood the chapter properly. You should complete the exercises, question answers and worksheet related to this chapter. Its link is given in the description box. Complete your notebooks and books on time and prepare and learn the chapters, exercises and question answers. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.